The Intel Pentium 2 processor is Intel's next-generation processor with MMX technology. PC platforms with the Intel Pentium 2 processor are providing business users with new and exciting capabilities like advanced browser push multimedia technology, multicast and unicast streaming video and audio over the internet, and lifelike real-time 3D rendering. The Pentium 2 processor is also speeding the performance of existing applications. The Pentium 2 processor provides business users with the highest performance of any of Intel's processors. The Pentium 2 processor also has MMX technology, making it a great choice for rich 3D graphics and multimedia. The Pentium 2 processor is the foundation of a complete, balanced platform. It delivers the raw power for office productivity applications, new levels of performance for web-based multimedia and realistic 3D graphics. When business users step up to the Pentium 2 processor, look what they can do. With the introduction of the Pentium 2 processor, Intel has combined the power and capabilities of the Pentium Pro processor with the multimedia and communications capabilities of MMX technology. Along with platform technologies like Accelerated Graphics Port, AGP, the standard business desktop now has the visual computing capabilities of PC imaging, 3D graphics, and enhanced video processing that will take business computing to the next level and change the way businesses work with each other and with consumers. This collage of applications stunningly demonstrates the vast and diverse capabilities of the Pentium 2 processor. In this video, we will cover the advantages of the Pentium 2 processor. Specifically, we will explore how the Pentium 2 processor brings a new level of realism to 3D applications, how the Pentium 2 processor brings access to rich web-based content, and how the Pentium 2 processor empowers users to increase their productivity. This application by Realimation enables developers to design realistic 3D graphic animation for 3D e-commerce applications and consumer games. The Pentium 2 processors brings new level of 3D processing power to workstations for digital 3D content creation. Notice the detailed and realistic-looking skyline and the smooth motion of the aircraft. With effects like these, Pentium 2 processor-based workstations have the ability to change developers' and business users' outlook on 3D applications. The Pentium 2 processor's unique architecture allows developers and users to utilize multi-threaded applications that efficiently utilize two processors to perform real-time edits on animated 3D databases and to develop more visually compelling animation. This SolidWorks 97 Plus 3D modeling application demonstrates the power of the Pentium 2 processor. Notice the multiple windows of 3D objects, the smoothness of the object movement, and the object details and shadowing effects. These effects are good examples of the new level of performance provided by the Pentium 2 processor. Mechanical CAD engineers and developers can perform real-time rendering on complex databases and can develop detailed 3D graphics using Pentium 2 processor-based systems. This next application, Ticketmaster, is yet another example of the realistic 3D rendering capabilities that are possible with the Pentium 2 processor. Ticketmaster is a business-to-consumer electronic commerce application that enables consumers to explore seating arrangements at a stadium at the time of ticket purchasing. The Pentium 2 processor performs smooth and fluid 3D rendering, detailed 3D effects, and utilizes large 3D texture maps for professional appearance. Notice the detailed seating and playing field features in the stadium. This software title provides a 3D topographical view of the stadium for a more compelling consumer experience and for better customer service. Without the Pentium 2 processor, the smooth rendering and detailed graphics would be impossible. To review, the Pentium 2 processor provides a platform for realistic 3D graphics, Developers and business users can identify these advanced features by looking for smooth graphics animation, detailed graphics, and realistic effects. This application, Scala TV, demonstrates web authoring capabilities such as web content creation, distribution, and playback. In this demonstration, the business user is creating a customized multimedia presentation. The Pentium 2 processor enables average business users using Scala TV to quickly and easily develop rich multimedia presentations and to publish and playback multimedia content using a corporate intranet or extranet. This application features Intel's Multimedia Annual Report technology, which combines Indio 5, FlashPix, RSX, RDX, and Web Design Effects technologies to enable converting existing documents into more compelling, interactive multimedia documents. This demonstration features an Intel Annual Report conversion. The annual report contains video excerpts from executive staff presentations and also includes footage from Intel Pentium 2 launch commercials. The Pentium 2 processor and Intel technologies deliver rich images over networks, realistic interactive positional 3D sound, and headroom for running other applications. This next demonstration shows a web top developed using Netscape Navigator software. The web top allows a company to aggregate information from multiple sources for more informed decision-making and to push rich web content down to a person's desktop for improved productivity. As you can see, an employee can easily access multiple sources of real-time information from the internet or internal sources and can customize the information they want to receive. The Pentium 2 processor enables this advanced browser technology with push multimedia features, fast page downloads, and customized visual information for improved productivity for business users. To review, the Pentium 2 processor provides the power to quickly and easily develop rich multimedia presentations. The Pentium 2 processor provides the power to publish and play back multimedia content using a corporate intranet or extranet, and the performance to convert a web version of an annual report into a rich, interactive multimedia presentation. And also the ability to push multimedia content to those who need it and to make compelling visual information globally available to employees. The Pentium 2 processor delivers the power to enable business users to author web-based multimedia presentations and to multicast and unicast streaming video and audio over the internet. This demonstration shows how a business user can create a PowerPoint presentation using Intel's Athens technology and simply convert the presentation into multimedia web content and automatically post the content to a web server for playback on any desktop. Historically, to develop such a presentation, users needed high-end equipment and specialized web content creation abilities. The Pentium 2 processor and Intel's Athens technology enable this capability simply and quickly. This Zing software demonstration shows a dual Pentium 2 processor-based server encoding and serving live full-screen MPEG-1 audio and video over an intranet. The server is receiving this live image from a video camera, encoding and simultaneously distributing the video feed over the intranet. This is the first ever demonstration of real-time, full-screen, software-based encoding and distribution. Pentium 2 processor-based servers make it possible for companies to easily implement live, high-quality video on demand over their existing corporate intranet for improved global communications and collaboration. This software, powered by the Pentium 2 processor, is the WorkFire Web Accelerator. WorkFire is a distributed application written in Java that delivers stunning speed improvements to Internet users while maintaining compatibility with existing content and networks. The server compresses the information, and the client decompresses it on the fly, allowing the overall bandwidth to get reduced. The faster the processor, the better the compression. In this demonstration, you see a doctor is downloading a set of radiology thumbnail slides for a patient. With WorkFire and the Pentium 2 processor, the performance is used to triple the effective network bandwidth. In this example, you can see how the WorkFire server on the left enables real-time download of images. And in this case, you're seeing 2 gigabytes of data consisting of 40 cross-sections of the human brain. On the right side, the standard HTTP server struggles to download this large amount of data. On the left, WorkFire's real-time compression and decompression algorithms written in Java take advantage of the power of the Pentium 2 processor to effectively triple your internet connection speed and make you more efficient no matter what internet applications you use. The power of the Pentium 2 processor provides realistic 3D graphics. The Pentium 2 processor allows for lifelike effects like dynamic lighting and high resolution and smooth animation. The power of the Pentium 2 processor makes web authoring easy and inexpensive and brings rich multimedia content to the business user's desktop. The Pentium 2 processor provides the power to playback high-quality MPEG-2 video and brings web pages to life with web design effects. The power of the Pentium 2 processor brings productivity applications to business. The Pentium 2 processor makes global knowledge sharing and collaboration fast and easy and delivers stunning speed improvements of content distribution to Internet users.